Making money on eBay involves creating listings, selling products, and providing excellent customer service. Here's a concise guide. Create an eBay account. Sign up for a seller account on eBay if you don't have one. Research and identify niche. Research products and identify a niche. Look for products that are in demand and have profit potential. Source products. Acquire products through wholesale suppliers, manufacturers, or by reselling used items. Consider dropshipping or selling items you already own. Create compelling listings. Craft detailed and attractive product listings. Use high-quality images, write clear and informative descriptions, and set competitive prices. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in your listings to improve search visibility. This helps potential buyers find your products easily. Offer competitive pricing. Price your items competitively. Factor in all costs, including shipping and eBay fees, to ensure profitability. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address issues professionally, and ensure timely shipping. Positive reviews contribute to your seller reputation. Utilize auctions and buy it now. Experiment with both auction-style listings and fixed-price listings to see which works best for your products. Promotions and marketing. Take advantage of eBay promotions, discounts, and marketing tools to attract more buyers. Scale and diversify. As you gain experience, scale your business by expanding your product range or exploring international markets.